how to reset LastPass master password. So first, go to your account, and then let's say you just changed your master password a while ago, right? And you want to reset it. So what you can do is just click on account settings here at the bottom left. Then here, you can just click on revert master password change, all right? So once you've clicked that, you'll be transferred here, right? So here, you just need to type in your email here, and then you can just click on send email. And then LastPass will send you an email like this one. So what you can do here is just click on this link. And then here, you'll see something like this. But as you can see, I didn't really change my master password before, so it looks like this. But if you change your master password, you'll see sentences here. And then you'll see a prompt here that says click here. Then once you click that, your LastPass master password will revert, all right, or reset. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.